Take your video to the next level by working with the sound. Welcome back to VideoProc Vlogger official channel. This is Carol. Well, in this tutorial, we are going to show you how to break down the complex sound designs. Now let's get the video started. Set a tone of the video first. Like, I wish to create a video theme of people in nature. Then the tone of the video should be pretty relaxed, and use it as a fundamental base to produce a video. Free download the VideoProc Vlogger through the link we put in the description box down below. Launch your software. Create a new project. Use a sound effect that comes with lighter and more ethereal feeling as a bass tone, and import it into software. Drag it to the audio track. Then, let's establish an inner ink using the sound and image. This way, even without using any transition, the switching between each frame would still flow naturally. Start with the leaves in the ring and move on to the wood. And then to the people in the wood. Let's try give the image some wind chimes here. And the sound of the wind chimes is similar to that of the running water. Thus, we could use the sound to achieve a smooth transition here between the image. Then switch from the stream to the waterfall. And then from the waterfall to the jellyfish in the deep sea upstream. And then it returns to the sailing ship in the sea. The image is an arrow shot. So here we can touch the arrow shot of the desert to create a feeling of transferring from stillness to the elegant riding movement, and then to a slowly moving camel. And finally, we wrap the video with the night to deepen the sense of silence. Well, so far we have created the engagement between each image. Finally, adjust the duration of each frame based on the beat of the bass tone music in the audio track. And then adjust the duration of the bass tone music. And we add a fade-out effect to it. That's it. Let's have a preview. In the tutorial of the last video of sound demonstration, we have already stressed the importance of ambient texture, that it could give logic and realistic definition to the image. So here, we are going to match all this image with corresponding sound. Import all the prepared sound effects into software. Find the plus icon on the far left of the audio track. Click it to add a new audio track. Drag in turn the sound effect of rain, birds chirping, wind chimes, and a flowing stream. Then, add sound effect to the waterfall scene shot in different angles. Let's add another track. Drag the same sound effect into each of these two tracks. And enable their audio waveforms overlap to some extent. Because the locations to shoot a waterfall are different, the texture of the waterfall sound would also be different. Here we're gonna go with the one that comes with stronger waterfall sound. Click on the audio icon on the toolbar to enter the audio editor panel. Click Effects. Here you can find a bunch of presets. Click Noise and adjust the distance value to create an approaching effect for the sound. click Apply. And that's it. Next image is a jellyfish in the sea. We can add a bubbling sound. Add a sailing sound for the moving ship. Add a sound of blowing wind for the desert. And keep the sound of blowing wind to the end of these images. Finally, we can continue with the sound of bicycle riding. Camel bells and fires. And we're done. To make the transition in the video more natural and rhythmic, we can choose different sound effects for different transitions, such as ethereal hit sound, speedy whoosh sound, and dramatic riser sound. Now we add one more audio track. Drag and drop the different sound effect to each transitions. Note that there is one little trick you can go into here, and that is to add a transition sound effect in the right amount and at the right time. Do not add them too often and too closely, or viewer will get bored and feel fatigue as they watch your video. Now let's check out the result. Now the whole video is basically finished, but we can see that some images are plain in color, which is unable to endure strong vision definition to the video. So now let's adjust it. Select the desert footage. Find the color icon on the toolbar. Click it. Adjust the parameters on the right to bring up the contrast and saturation of the image. This way, the desert would seem more colorful. Don't forget to click Apply as you finish with the adjustment. Similarly, you can also adjust the colors of other clips. The video will then come out awesome and great. Alright, this is the end of today's tutorial. I think you have got it. Anyway, don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. We will come back with more tutorials on sound design. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!